Bitcoin flashed a buy signal right here, guys, and afterwards we have seen a nice pump in the Bitcoin price. Is this changing right now the structure in Bitcoin, and is this the first sign of a reversal, and can Bitcoin continue right here in the uptrend? Guys, we are going to have a look at that in today's video. Also, I'm going to have a look with you with this chart, which is basically showing us that Bitcoin right now could be at a similar situation as we were right here, and I'm going to explain you exactly why these situations are looking so similar right now. Then guys, we are also going to have a look at the at other indicators like the funding rate right now, the crypto fear and greed index. So all about that in today's video. Guys, let's dive right into it. Before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price action, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, guys. It would be awesome if we could reach above 300 likes on today's video. Then for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin right now, you can join Bybit using my affiliate link down below, and you can claim an additional bonus of $635 US. And on the Famix platform right now, you can get a bonus of $2,000 US if you use my sign up link down below and if you meet the deposit requirements. So for all the traders who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins on one of these exchanges, you can find my affiliate link down below. Then guys, let's jump right into it. And yeah, Bitcoin so far is just seeing a nice pump, and I think this is actually looking quite bullish for Bitcoin. We also have been expecting, right, that Bitcoin is going to bounce from here, like I've been talking in yesterday's video as well. Most likely we are going to see a bounce from here, which at least will come to the declining resistance right here. But guys, let's first go to another chart where we are seeing some interesting signs right here, which is basically showing us that Bitcoin right now definitely could be close to a bottom. Let's go to the daily time frame, and let me first get rid of the indicators right here. And let me bring out a very important moving average, and that is the 100 daily moving average, the blue line right here. So what we can see right here, guys, if we have a look at the crash in March 2020, and we were to draw a trend line right here connecting the lows right there from the body of the candle, not the exact wick, with the lows we have seen right here, with the lows we have seen in July 2021, and where Bitcoin is trading right now, then we actually see a pattern. We can see that this support line is holding so far, and that also the 100 daily moving averages is a moving average that is being held once we are testing this level. So guys, that is similar as we were seeing right here back in September 2020. Right now we are seeing it in September 2021. And this is quite funny because it's even the same month, the same period that we are seeing this occurring. So that is also quite significant. But the funny part right here, guys, is that the funding rate, so the sentiment during these periods were quite similar too. So let me bring out the funding rate indicator, and right here we can see that over a extended amount of time right here, the funding rates have been negative, and that is similar as we are seeing right now, which is something I'm talking a lot about. I know it, but it's basically showing us that the majority is being short right here, while this was actually very, very close to a Bitcoin bottom, and we never really got that decisive break below the 100 daily moving average. And right now we are also not seeing that. We are actually seeing some bullish signs right here, and the 100 daily moving average right now is acting as support. So this is showing us that if we were to get a break like we have seen back in 2020 of the declining resistance right here, which right now is here, then that might start a nice rally in the Bitcoin price. Then guys, let's go back to the other chart. Wow, I also want to start on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame, I first get rid of the moving average, bring out the indicators right here, and get rid of the funding rates, because we know the funding rates have been negative over a consecutive amount of time. Then I want to draw a pattern that we are seeing in the relative strength index, and that is we are seeing a falling wedge pattern right here. And funny, that falling wedge pattern is also visible in the price. And what we are often doing right here on the channel is we are trying to look at patterns on momentum indicators and trying to recognize a certain breakout, because often we are seeing that the breakout in the pattern on the momentum indicator happens earlier than actually in the price. So that means that right here, if we would get a decisive breakout out of this falling wedge formation in the relative strength index, that increases the likelihood that the price eventually is going to follow that breakout. And yeah, we have been leaning towards this scenario already. During this whole formation, right, we are expecting Bitcoin to continue this uptrend. We are not expecting a major move down due to a lot of metrics that I've been sharing, right, on-chain statistics, sentiment. Also, if we have a look at the crypto fear and greed index, right now we are seeing forms of extreme fear in the sentiment combined with negative funding rates right now is for me a cocktail that can drive the price up. However, we do have to respect support and resistance levels in the price as well. So let's do that, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame right here. And let's check how Bitcoin is looking over here. So interestingly, on the 4-hour time frame, we have a declining resistance on the relative strength index, which is almost broken right here as well. In 1 hour, that 4-hourly candle close will be confirmed, and then we can say with more confidence if we actually broke the declining resistance. So right now we are already trading above it, but not yet a confirmation. Then when we have a look at the price, then we can see that we are right now testing the declining resistance right here, which is at approximately 43,500. If we were to break above this declining resistance, guys, we have another major resistance coming in right here at approximately 44,000 and slightly above 44,000, depending when we are going to meet this level. But if we are going to break that resistance, that would be very bullish for Bitcoin and showing us that we might see a nice rally right here, breaking out of this falling wedge formation, and at least are going to see a nice pump in the Bitcoin price. And I would say the target of this falling wedge formation would be the top of the wedge at approximately 52,600 to 52,800. However, guys, if we can surpass the highs right here, which I think we will eventually, then that would be a very bullish sign, showing us that Bitcoin is confirming this new uptrend and most likely is going to test, most likely even surpass the previous all-time highs that we have seen. So I have to say, guys, I'm still leaning more towards the bullish scenario right here. The pump that we are seeing right now in the Bitcoin price is something that we also want to see. This is a nice engulfing candle showing a lot of momentum coming along, and right now it is the we almost finishing up the monthly chart, the monthly candle right September. And if we have a look at the floor model of plan B, then the floor model for September was $43,000. That would be in line with the price right now, so that would be actually a beautiful September close. And we want to see some follow through, eventually breaking these resistances. But then I definitely expect Bitcoin to continue this uptrend. So right now, I'm still going to be positive on Bitcoin because there is some momentum being unlocked in the momentum indicator, some bullish momentum. So guys, something very important that I've been mentioning before is that during this consolidation time of Bitcoin, where basically the volatility is decreasing, where we have where we are testing a certain bottom right here, and we are seeing that the price is consolidating, but the momentum indicators, they are actually moving up. All of them, the relative strength index, the MACD, and also our new momentum indicator, that is a bullish signal. That is showing us that in the background of the Bitcoin price, there is a momentum shift going on. It is important to eventually get that confirmation in the price as well. So as long as we are trading below resistance, we don't yet have a clear break of that structure. However, this is something we really want to see when Bitcoin wants to make a reversal. So if Bitcoin is going towards resistance right here, and we are seeing the momentum indicators showing all a negative divergence, that is showing weakness, but right now it's actually the opposite. Right now the momentum indicators are looking quite bullish, breaking above declining resistances, trending up while the price have been moving sideways, and that is also explaining the pump right here. Then guys, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we get actually a nice signal right before that pump. We got a nice signal right here, and afterwards we have seen that major pump in the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin right now is testing the resistance, and it is possible, of course, that we first get a pullback before testing that, or potentially break that resistance. Take that in mind. So that is something I will be watching. So guys, do take in mind that Bitcoin right now is trading still below this resistance level, and in the shorter term time frame we still could get a pullback, right? But it really would be awesome if in the shorter term time frame, in the not so distant future, Bitcoin can break above this level, test this declining resistance, and break above that level as well. So get basically a decisive break above $44,000 or slightly above $44,000. That would be extremely bullish, and I would definitely expect Bitcoin to start a nice rally once we are seeing that breakout. So guys, that is what I'm watching right now in the Bitcoin price. Everything, all the analyses we've been talking about over the past couple of days are still intact, and I do think Bitcoin is still looking bullish. The bearish scenario is, of course, if Bitcoin were to decisively break this horizontal support, which is always a possibility, right? That would be a very bearish signal. So like I said, I do think that if Bitcoin wants to remain bullish, we have to break this resistance quite soon. If we were to come down again, getting rejected from this resistance, testing this support, the chances are only increasing more and more that eventually Bitcoin is going to break that support. So that's basically what I'm watching right on the Bitcoin price. Guys, let me know what you think is happening in the Bitcoin price. Do you think that Bitcoin can break above this resistance level in the not so distant future, or do you think we are going to get rejected and going to break the uptrending support and going to see lower levels? Guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If so, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. Guys, for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin, you can sign up over on the Bybit exchange using my affiliate link. Right now you can claim a bonus of $635. Bybit is a awesome exchange where you can trade Bitcoin with leverage and a variety of altcoins, but also on the spot market. And guys, right now I'm using the Bybit exchange and the Femex platform to trade my margin trades, but also to trade on the spot market, due to the fact that they don't require you to go through a KYC procedure like, for example, with Binance. And right now, if you sign up on the Femex platform, you can get an additional bonus of $2,000. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.